This is a go-to beginner's guide to help you keep your teeth clean, strong, and healthy. Hey friends, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Eunice Oluwatoyin Oyiyade, your oral health educator, and today we are diving into something everyone needs but not everyone understands: oral hygiene basics. Whether you're just getting started or you are looking to improve your routine, this is a go-to beginner's guide to help you keep your teeth clean, strong, and healthy. So let's just dive into it. First, let's talk about why oral hygiene is more than just brushing your teeth. Poor oral hygiene can lead to bad breath, cavities, gum disease, and can even have impact your heart and your immune system. So when next you are taking care of your mouth, have it at the back of your mind that you are not only taking care of your mouth, but you are taking care of your whole body. Now, here is what your basic daily routine should look like. Number one, you brush twice a day, in the morning and at night, for at least 2 minutes. You brush in the morning and at night. I made a video on when to brush your mouth in the morning and at night. I will be dropping the link to that video in the description box, because you don't just brush your mouth anytime in the morning and anytime at night. Is it before breakfast, after breakfast? Is it before dinner or after dinner? I explained in details in that video, and I'll be dropping the link in the description so that you can watch the video. Number two, use a soft bristled toothbrush and a fluoride toothpaste. A soft bristled toothbrush, not a hard one. I understand the fact that many of you are used to using a hard bristled toothbrush, but then it is not advisable for you to use hard bristled toothbrush, because hard bristled toothbrush can easily wear away your tooth enamel, and the moment your enamel is worn away, your tooth is exposed already, and that's when you begin to feel a kind of sensation. The moment there is breeze, you feel sensation. You drink water, you feel sensation. You eat, you feel sensation. That's because your enamel has been worn away, and it will be very difficult for it to remineralize. So it is better and it is advisable to use a soft bristled toothbrush. Another reason you should use a soft bristled toothbrush is because these soft bristles can easily enter in between your teeth and remove dirt. I know it is not all the dirt in between your teeth that these brushes can remove, but then it can remove a little bit of those dirt, right? Making your mouth more cleaner. Concerning a fluoride toothpaste, I made a video concerning that as well, and I'll be dropping the link in the description box. So if you want to know more about why you should use a fluoride toothpaste, you can just go to the description box, click on the link, and watch the video for a detailed explanation. The third point is to floss at least once in a week. If you cannot floss every day, make sure you floss at least once in a week. Flossing helps to remove the dirt in between your teeth, the dirt that your brush couldn't remove while you were brushing your teeth. Flossing helps you to remove those dirt. Number four, rinse your mouth with mouthwash. Mouthwashes helps to keep your mouth clean. It helps to keep your breath fresh, especially when you are out during the day, when you are going about your business. Mouthwashes helps to keep your oral hygiene intact. But then if you have a sensitive skin, probably your mouth is always sensitive to some ingredients or chemicals, then I will advise that you go for an alcohol-free mouthwashes. Number five, replace your toothbrush every 3 months. I know that sounds awkward, kind of, but then it's advisable that you replace your toothbrush every 3 months. But then if your toothbrush has worn out even before 3 months, then it's advisable that you change it, because the moment your toothbrush is worn out, there's nothing the brushes will do to your mouth, right? So Replace your toothbrush every 3 months. Toothbrushes has a way of harboring bacteria, viruses, and all these germs, and it is best for you to replace them every 3 months. You keep on renewing your dental tools. Now, there are common mistakes I see all the time. Number one is brushing too hard. Really, you don't need to brush your mouth too hard, right? Just brush normally. Brushing your mouth too hard can affect your gum. It can make your gum to start bleeding. It can wear away your enamel, as I have said earlier on. So it is advisable that you brush your mouth gently. You brush your teeth. You brush your tongue, because your tongue harbors dirt as well. So brush gently, don't brush too hard. Number two the second mistake is keeping flossing. Brushing is never enough. Brushing is never enough. In fact, you should floss every day. But then, because if that might be kind of difficult for a lot of people, that's why I said earlier on that you should floss at least once in a week to remove the dirt sitting in between your teeth. The third mistake I see a lot of people do is rinsing their mouth immediately after brushing. You don't rinse your mouth immediately after brushing. The fluoride in your toothpaste is meant to sit in your mouth for at least 30 minutes so that it can do its job. But the moment you rinse your mouth, then you have washed away the fluoride, and that fluoride will not be able to do the work it's supposed to do. So when next you are brushing your mouth, let the foam, the toothpaste, let it sit in your mouth. You can just spit out, but then don't rinse your mouth with water. Just spit out and go about with your daily activities. I would love to know if you have made any of these mistakes. No shame, we've all been there. I've made my mistakes as well. So it's cool if you've made mistakes. I just want to know, and let me know the tips you will start applying in your oral health routine. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, comment, and share with someone who might be needing this information. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video content. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back here to feast on my content. It means a whole lot to me. Till I see you again in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.